Hello everyone, welcome to Teachables. I hope you are all doing fine. This is a new video on how to clear AZ-204 exam. In this video, I'm going to show you what is the process, like what are the resources available to pass AZ-204 exam. I cleared this exam with 15 days of study and scored around 940 marks. So in this video, I'm going to share three things with you. Like first will be the resources to learn. Like there will be four types of resources. Then the resources to practice before taking the exam. And the third will be the dumps. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video. So before starting, I would request you to please do subscribe our channel Data Wolves on YouTube and visit us on different social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Visit our website datawolves.com. We regularly post updates regarding Microsoft certification exam, data science, data analytics and Power BI. If you find this video insightful, then please do like this video and feel free to ask any question in comment section. I will try my best to answer all of them. So now let's move to our next section, that how to prepare for AZ-204 exam. So we will use these four lectures or video courses and then we will go through this practice test. So let's discuss about this first course. So when you click over this link, that is AZ-204 learning path. This is officially learning path by Microsoft and it is absolutely free. It contains 12 modules and will complete exam syllabus, and there are free lab accesses also with hands-on exercise. So when you click over this link, it will land to this page. So you can see this is the official Microsoft learn.microsoft.com. And here you have these 12 modules. You can go through these and learn about the exam. The second one is prepare AZ-204 developing solution for Microsoft Azure. So it is prepared by Microsoft, but it is available on Coursera. The course duration is 7 hours and the course cost is $50. You can click on this link and it will link to this page, that is Coursera site, and it is rated 4.5 stars and it is provided by Microsoft. So it contains all the outline key points covered in developing solution for Microsoft Azure course and describes the best practices for preparing for exam AZ-204. Next is AZ-204 developing solution for Microsoft Azure Udemy. It is a 9.5 hours on-demand course and contains one practice test. It is rated 4.5 stars and cost around $39. So when you click over this, it will land to this page. It is created by Scott Duffy and it is rated 4.5 star by 22,000 students and has some downloadable resources, 9.5 hours of on demand and 13 articles with one practice test. Next is AZ-204 developing solution for Microsoft Azure, new by Alan Rodrigues, that is Udemy. When you click over this link, it will land on this page. So this contains this is designed by Alan Rodrigues and created by Alan Rodrigues. Contains 27 hours on-demand video and 15 articles with 2 practice tests. So you can choose as per your convenience. I will recommend you go through the first one because it is free and it is designed by Microsoft. And then you can choose anyone out of these three. Like everyone is 5. You can choose anyone as per your requirement. I will suggest like this is long course, so it will be more detailed. So you can choose this one. I've gone through all these three. So these are quite good. Like if you can go through what you can do, you can go through first, you can go through second, and you can choose one of these, like either 3 or 4. So after completing all these 4 courses, you can practice for AZ-204 exam. So there are 3 practice tests available. Just to mention, I am using datawolves.com. a post published on datawolves.com. I will add the link in description. You can directly click on that link and you will land to this website. So the first is Microsoft practice test AZ-204 official. So these are the official practice tests from Microsoft and it is published on major website. So it's cost around $99. So when you click on this website, it will land to this major website. So you can see right now it is discounted, that is $39.60. You can check with this link. Then we have AZ-204 Microsoft Azure Development Practice Test by Scott Duffy from Udemy. It is created by Scott Duffy and rated 4.3 stars and cost around $29.99. You can click on this link and it will land to this Udemy page. So you can see there are 4 practice tests containing 30 questions each. And the third one is AZ-204 Mock Test by Surbhi Sharma, and it is rated 4.1 star and cost around 800 rupees INR. So you can click on this link and it will land to this. So it consists of 6 papers and consists of 50 to 54 questions each. So you can go through all these resources, like first learn from Microsoft.com, prepare from these courses. You must do at least one of them, then practice at least from one of these tests. So after this, you will cover complete syllabus and then you will practice the questions. Now let's come to most important section, that is bonus section for all of you. So we have AZ-204 exam questions and dumps with answers, a free PDF to download. So we have prepared a PDF that contains most repeated questions of developing solution for Microsoft Azure certification exam, that is AZ-204. So you just need to click on this link and it will land to this drive. So you can see we have 99 pages PDF. It is completely free to download. You can check our website, LinkedIn, Instagram and YouTube channel from these links. And you can see when we scroll down, you have around more than 250 plus questions, 244 questions. And these all are previously repeated questions. So most probably you will get 70% questions from this PDF. So make sure you go through all these, first complete these resources, that is courses, then do practice and then go through this PDF. I will guarantee that you will pass the AZ-204 exam. And do not forget to like our channel, subscribe to our channel, visit datavaults.com and do mention or do tag us in LinkedIn once you clear this AZ-204 exam. So that's all for this video now. Thank you.